Show me the berries. Where's the berries? Are they delicious? Do you love the berries?
Good. I'm so glad to hear that.
Ooga gaga.
Berries. Jackson, do you love the berries? What? Do you love berries?
Mom.
Where's your map? Map is not here.
Mom.
Where's your mom?
It's full.
She went to go get wipes for your face and your hands. Are you full of berries?
Mom. Mom. Mom.
I kind of wish
There she is.